Now I set my time as a smallest resistance to discharge higher capacity to a smallest time for this circuit. Let's see the effect how this switch smallest time. Okay, my multimeter was crossing over to 1 volt. Let's try another one. This is very faster to discharge my capacitor to crossing 1 volt. It is level up to turning up to another part of my LED chaser. Okay, this is the smallest time for this circuit, and let's see the how to make this circuit with your home using breadboard or else. Okay, this is a demonstration video for transistor BC547. This is the smallest timer. Previous video I am showing how to make a timer circuit using MOSFET IRFZ44N, and this is a popular on BC547 transistor timer circuit. In this demonstration, now I am going to tell you about main principle of timer circuit that are equivalent for transistor and MOSFET also, and this is a question for this. When you have to try with your transistor, you have to take a bigger capacitor, and using MOSFET, that is also depend on your timing. In this case, the main principle is the discharge level of capacitor is equivalent to a time capacity of this circuit, and I am using a pot 10K, the maximum range of resistance to slower discharge for capacitor. That's why this is the bigger time for this circuit, and if I smaller resistance for this circuit to discharge faster, this is smallest time for this circuit. Okay, now this potentiometer set as a maximum resistance to slower discharge to bigger time. Let's see the how much slow using discharging level of capacitor in multimeter. Now I'm push this button to charge capacitor. It is gradually discharging. Okay, this is slowly discharging. I think when it is crossed 1 volt above, this is turning off. So I'm moving another point. Okay, this is turning. Let's see the smallest time how much discharging, how much slower discharging this capacitor. Now I am set my resistance as a smallest resistance. Let's see the effect when pushing this button. Faster discharge level of this capacitor. First we trigger this push. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is my another video to using BC547 transistor to make a timer circuit as a use stopwatch. If you are new viewer to my channel, please subscribe. If you are already subscribed my channel, you can like and please share. Let's move on the main video section. You have to one transistor BC547. Okay, then you have to know about a transistor wire diagram. First of all is collector, second is base, and third is emitter. Here I am using base to control a timer circuit to control a big appliance. I'm here using a big appliance like a relay board. This is the example for this video for this circuit, and using this relay to bigger appliance. Here I am using 1000 microfarad 16 volt capacitor. If that capacitor discharging slower, that timer circuit have a bigger time, and if you discharge this capacitor pretty faster, you have count smallest time for this circuit. Then you need a 10K potentiometer, set different time and discharging level of capacitor slower and faster. This is connected ground with a capacitor positive pin. Okay, my 3 element is implanted for this breadboard. Now I am take 2 wire from my power supply to connect this circuit. 2 power pin is connected, and this is my appliance side. I'm taking this wire as a positive from relay solenoidal side, and this is negative solenoidal side. And also the middle point of this relay circuit is a appliance input side to controlling appliance at any voltage, consumable voltage as a 12 12 volt or 220 VAC voltage. You can apply it for the appliance. Here I am application as a DC voltage to control a 12 volt appliance and 2 LED chaser. Here is a on-site, here is a off-site as a example for circuit. Now take a wire to connect collector pin of transistor to a positive part of voltage source, and take a wire to connect base point capacitor positive side or capacitor negative potentiality. I have connect a wire to negative side of my voltage source, and also need a wire to connect potentiometer to a negative side of my voltage source. This is also discharging way or to capacitor. For discharging unity, I need a wire to connect positive part of my capacitor and potentiometer the first pin. Now we need a push button to trigger the steady response to a capacitor for fastest charging way. Here I am take a connection to base point. This is a also capacitor positive side, and this pin will go positive side of my voltage source. Okay, my transistor timer circuit is perfectly biased. Let's test with appliance. Now this red pin will be go transistor emitter side, and this wire from relay negative side, that is also connect with the negative side of my voltage source. This is appliance positive side, that's why this is connect with the positive side of my voltage source. And last, my handy wire to connect with the negative side of my voltage source. This is a appliance real negative part. Already my potentiometer's range stated as the smallest range of resistance. That is way to solve this circuit as a minimum time of control this circuit. Let's show the effect of minimum time of this circuit. Okay, this is work. Okay guys, no more today. This is enough for timer basics of circuits. You can also this circuit made for big appliance to control. Keeping this circuit to previous point, you can find this video in my description below. Other basics video are coming. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you for watching.